Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about the USA country code and how to make international calls to the United States. The country code for the US is +1. This code must be dialed before the phone number you are calling. For example, if you are calling a phone number in New York City, you would dial +1, then the area code, and last the phone number. There are a number of ways to make international calls, including using a calling card or a VoIP service. Calling cards can be purchased online or at convenience stores. VoIP services allow you to make calls over the internet. When choosing a way to make international calls, it is important to consider the cost. Calling cards can be expensive, especially if you are calling for a long time. VoIP services can be more affordable, but you will need a good internet connection to use them. Here are some additional tips for making international calls. Be aware of the time difference between your country and the United States. Ask the person you are calling if it is a convenient time to talk. Got questions on USA country code? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.